Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are students of class 5th and we are going to present a model on social networking. A very interesting topic from computer. Social networking means connecting and communicating with people through the internet. It helps us to share ideas, pictures, knowledge and messages with friends, family and even people in other countries. In our model, globe shows connected world, computer shows technology and social media icon shows the platform we use every day.
Social networking is very useful, very helpful in education. We can watch educational videos, join online classes, share projects and notes, and learn about science, technology, and current events. It also connects teachers and students to share information easily. It helps students to improve communicable skills, gain knowledge, and learn new ideas quickly. Benefits are stay updated by news and technology. Even though social networking has many benefits, we must use it wisely and safely. We should never share personal details, photos, or passwords with strangers. Always use privacy setting and take help from parents or teacher when needed. If used carefully, social networking can make learning fun, keep us connected, and help us grow smarter. So our motto reminds that the internet is a powerful tool. We should use it with care, purpose, and kindness. Let's connect the whole world in a positive way. Thank you.
Thank you.